If I woke up tomorrow with nothing but $1,000 in my bank account, no savings, no backup, no connections, just me and that money. Here's exactly what I'd do to turn things around fast. Because the truth is, $1,000 won't make you rich. But used the right way, it can absolutely change your future. Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. Let's break down what I'd do step by step if I had to start over with just $1,000, and how you can build a smarter foundation even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. I'd put $500 away and pretend it doesn't exist. Before I do anything risky, flashy, or even productive, I'd protect half. That $500 becomes my survival fund. Because no matter what plan I have, if I get hit with an emergency, it's over. This gives me peace of mind while I work on building the rest. Step 2. I'd spend $100 on tools that make me money. You don't need a fancy setup. I'd get the cheapest phone tripod, basic lighting, maybe Canva Pro or ChatGPT Plus, tools that help me create or sell. Today, you can start a YouTube channel, sell digital templates, or freelance from home for almost nothing. I'd buy what helps me do that faster. Step 3. I'd use $50 to $100 to learn a high-income skill. Not a $1,000 course. I'm talking books, cheap online courses, or free content that teaches me how to write, sell, edit videos, market, or code. If you can help people make or save money, you'll never be broke for long. Step 4. I'd offer my skill for free, just at first. Let's say I choose writing or video editing. I'd do the first 2-3 jobs for free, not forever, just to build proof. Because trust builds income, and nothing builds trust like showing real results. Step 5. I'd post value every day. Even if no one's watching. I'd share tips, progress, mistakes, and I'd build a digital trail of value. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn, you show up like you're already worth something. Because eventually, someone will notice. Step 6. I'd turn my first $100 profit into fuel. Once I earn my first $100, that's momentum. I'd reinvest that into better tools, marketing, or building a small brand around myself. The goal is simple. Multiply the $1,000 by creating value, not just flipping stuff for quick cash. Step 7. I'd avoid these 3 temptations. 1. Buying nice stuff too early. 2. Paying for courses with no action. 3. Trying to go viral instead of helping people. $1,000 disappears fast if you're not focused. I'd stay lean, disciplined, and strategic. Final thoughts. You can blow $1,000 in a weekend and have nothing to show for it. Or you can stretch it into something powerful, a skill, a habit, or even a business. Starting over doesn't mean starting empty. It just means starting smart. Thank you all for watching. If this gave you a plan or shifted your thinking, hit that subscribe button and let's build your financially smart mind together. Drop a comment below. What would you do if you had just $1,000 to start over?